Hello everyone. So I don't know how to say this, but I don't even know where to start. But even though I'm smiling, I'm really upset and sad. It's because I like to smile. That's why y'all see me smiling right now. And it's also a defense mechanism sometimes. Okay, so I used to love to travel. I love traveling, okay? And y'all know I said this, I love white people, but right now I don't like to travel anymore because of white people, because of people in Germany. And I start disliking white people in Germany. I start disliking Germans because of this. I loved them before this, but this get me really upset when taking planes with them. Oh my God. These people be coughing in the plane and not covering their mouth, and they're coughing when I'm eating. Y'all can't cough when I'm eating, when people are eating in the plane. Y'all should not cough without covering your mouth. Cover your mouth when you cough, okay? Do this and wipe off your hand, because the thing can be on your hand and then you touch everywhere and get people sick. So when you cough and cover your mouth, wipe off your hand somewhere that is on you or in a wipes, not on anything that people gonna touch, okay? Just to not give people your germs or whatever. I'm telling you, people, I wasn't sick before I come Germany, and now y'all get me sick because I am in, my goodness, more than once I'm in plane and I'm eating and people coughing, and I look at them, they're not covering their mouth. Like 3/4 of them don't cover their mouth when they're coughing in a plane. People, the door can't open for the breeze to come in and out, for the germs to fly out, okay? The windows can't open in a plane for the breeze to come in and out, for the germs to fly out, okay? Y'all don't know this. When a person cough or sneeze, the molecules fly. It fly, okay? The molecules fly from the mouth and go to the next person, the host that opens their mouth and inhale. You understand? Or even inhale from their nose, okay? Especially when they open their mouth and inhale, it goes into that person, okay? If they talking and they're near a person, near a person who cough or sneeze, and a person is talking and inhale, they can inhale that germs, okay, that flies from the person's mouth who coughs and who sneeze. It travels, okay, to the next person that's near who is inhaling or talking, okay, from the mouth especially, okay? So I used to carry masks during Corona time, but now that Corona is gone mostly, or probably fully, I don't know, it probably died with a host. Anyway, I stopped wearing masks. Yeah, about probably 3 years after Corona. I don't know, 2 years after Corona, I stopped wearing masks. So I started doing this when people coughing, because I stopped carrying my mask, okay? After I come out of nursing school, I started walking with gloves, and I have disinfectant and wipes in my bag, but I don't got no mask. So I have to do this. So people, y'all need to stop being selfish, especially in a plane, because the doors and the windows can't open. So when y'all cough or sneeze, cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze, so that another person don't catch y'all sickness, because I think y'all give me tuberculosis, okay? I didn't have none of that, and I wasn't even sick before I come to Germany because of these people. They probably give me tuberculosis in the plane because I took a plane like I don't know, like last year or 2 years ago, and they were coughing in the plane, right? When I come off the plane, and it happened again when I am coming back to Germany. They coughing on the plane. They give me something. Okay, I be coughing after that, and I got sick after that. Okay, we coughing, and then yeah, someone who is near me asking me what's wrong with me, and I told them. I even told my supervisor what happened, that people be coughing on the plane. I hate it. I hate that about white people from now on, and that caused me to dislike y'all from now on. I love y'all. I used to love y'all, but no, I love y'all children. I love white I love white children more than white adults right now, because y'all get me upset with this. Y'all give me sickness, and oh my goodness, I be catching stuff that I don't even know what it is, what I'm catching. If it's corona or tuberculosis, I don't know what y'all giving me, but well, y'all be giving me some things in this country. I'm telling you, I have to take vitamin C every time. Sick of y'all people. Y'all need to help me to go back to my homeland. If y'all want to help me to go back to my homeland, send me something to my PayPal, okay? I'll be very grateful. My PayPal account is scottjanice70@gmail.com. It's SCOTTJANICE70@gmail.com. Okay, I will gratefully appreciate it, because yeah, I would rather do with y'all babies than with y'all adults, because y'all adults get me upset with all these nasty things. Y'all are selfish. Y'all cannot be selfish in a plane, coughing and sneezing without covering your mouth near people. I have to stop eating when y'all coughing, and I like food. And when I was hungry and the air hostess give me food, and I hear people coughing behind me, and when I look, they're not covering their mouths, and I'm eating, I have to stop eat. I have to put up the food, and that upset me, because I love food, okay? I'm a foodie. So, and worse, if y'all give me something, I didn't have TB on my ticket before I took the first plane where they were coughing at, right? And then after the second plane that I take, I start seeing them putting TB on my plane ticket. That means tuberculosis. That mean y'all give me it, okay? They had tuberculosis in that plane, and no, it looked like y'all must have given me it, because no, I saw TB on my plane, and and TB must be tuberculosis. That's what it means. Yeah, and I didn't see that on my plane from before, and I never got sick in my home country before I come to Germany. So y'all need to help me to go back to my homeland, because I can't bother with y'all. I can't bother with this country, truly. I start liking y'all. I stop loving y'all. I love y'all babies now. I like white babies now, because white babies are cute, nice, even though they cry for no good reason sometimes, and being spoiled because y'all don't beat y'all babies, and children can be like sometimes a brat, sometimes the white children, but I love white babies. They're cute and adorable. Yeah, and I start probably liking them more than adults right now, because I don't know what wrong with these German people, these white people in this country, being selfish, coughing when I'm eating, not covering their mouth when they're coughing and sneezing, especially in the plane. Okay, I'm upset, because this is not right. Y'all need to stop being selfish Y'all need to, yeah, be mindful of others, especially in a plane, because the doors and the windows can't open. So cover your mouth. My goodness, Jesus Christ, I'm with these people. I can't even have a career in this country because of y'all. Yeah. So whoever wants to help me, y'all can send something to my PayPal account. Okay, so that I can go back to my home country because I'm tired of this. Truly. Oh, I might be laughing, but it's a defense mechanism, and I love to laugh anyway, as I said. So I'm upset though, because I'm a germaphobe. Okay, I'm a germaphobe, and someone even said I should like work as the person who goes into restaurants and tell people, you know, this ain't right, this is not hygienic, and the health inspector. Yes, someone even said you can be a health inspector because of how I am, because of who I am. Okay, I'm a germaphobe. I don't like germs. Okay, so yeah, I'm very health conscious. So y'all need to be more health conscious in this country, and selfless in not thinking about your own self when you're coughing and sneezing in public transportation from now on. Okay, yeah. Okay, bye y'all. Anyway, have a nice day.